BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this move, at the top after the breakout of the highest price of this correction, we mentioned we can expect to get the deeper correction. Anyway, this is what we get. We want to see what's the next. First of all, we start with higher time frame before we look for trade. If we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. And still we can look for that. That means if we want to look for trade, especially for buy, we should know about the consolidation here. All right. Now we want to see how we can look for charts based on lower time frame. As we mentioned, we have this move and we're expecting to get the correction for continuation. This is what we're looking for. But technically we have this flat and this down move is really sharp. That's why this is the start of the down move. All right. As I mentioned, we prefer this one give us a buy setup. Even than this one, as we mentioned, we prefer this one to give us a correction for continuation, but we need to know about this option. Maybe we get one more drop. All right. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. We have to get the proper trade setup. The only thing is, technically, we have this one. And even if we get one move up, we can expect the price to drop. But the only thing is, since this down move is because of the Bitcoin and most of the charts, they have the similar movement, we cannot conform with this flat because some of the charts we have a flat, some not. That's why we're looking for this one as a correction for continuation. And even if we put this low and relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. And as well here, that's why we get this reversal. And right now, we're looking for, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. We are not looking for sell, we're looking for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, first things, the best things is if this one turn to flat for one more drop, all right, then we can expect the price to drop to 293 following by 273. That's mean any reversal within this range at the sharp move flag, we're looking for buy. All right, this is the best we're looking for if we get this option. And if we get any trade setup, we're looking for 422. Okay, but how about if the price reverse from here? Because how about if this one is a reversal as a short move flag based on lower time frame? The only way is either having entry above here or above the stop. It depends on the traders and depends how they can start. I mean, what's the level of the trades and how they can manage it. Because if I move to 15 minutes, we don't have really sharp move as a reversal. What I can expect, this one give us one move up, we get this flat for one more drop. This is the best things. That's why in this case, we suggest to put our entry above here. In case the price sharply reverse, we can have our entry above this. And what we want is price tag, break, and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first hour, we take out the trade. And how about if the price reverses as a corrective? We are not going to have entry above the stop. That's what. And okay. Again, I need to highlight here that if this one give us one more drop from there, if we get a trade, this is what we are looking for. First, we can get the trade set up within this correction. Second, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup because if we get trade by having entry above this is what we get. And our risk is almost, even if we put our stop loss below this correction, in terms of the risk and reward, it doesn't give us a really good trade. But if this one give us one more drop, any reversal, we can look for better trade in terms of the risk and reward. And if this one gives us one more drop, we can look for trade within this correction, not above the correction. All right, that's why we prefer this one turn to a deeper correction before we get the reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.